The K application has to be one of the most popular media players of all time. As you can see directly on the Google Play Store, it has more than 50 million downloads. Very, very popular because the application itself is just an open source media player. So yes, of course, if you want to, you can install third-party add-ons, which can give you access to other content. You can install third-party builds, but at its base level, it is just a media player. So it is pretty bad that Amazon took this out of the Amazon App Store, but there is now a brand new version, Kodi 21.3, super fast, has some great features, works on all of your devices, your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, Android TV devices. Let me show you how you can install the latest version. Even if you have the older version installed on your device, this will automatically do an in-place upgrade. So let me jump over to my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. And what you want to do is open up Downloader. Let's do that now. And we can now just type in a single code, which will take you to the latest version of this application. And that code is just 4571603. Let's type that in and click on go. And it should take you straight to the installation file to install the latest version directly onto your device, which is Kodi Omega. That begins to download straight away. Give that a second. Now, as I have the older version on my device, it is actually prompting me, asking me that do you want to update the existing version? So I'm going to click on install, which will do the in-place upgrade. Let's give that a second, and that should complete first time. Now, I personally use this application every day because it really, in my opinion, is the best media player for really all sorts of content. So whether you're playing MP4s, MKVs, Blu-rays, DVDs, all formats are supported. With this, it performs really well, has built-in subtitles, and I've never really tried to play any media where it hasn't played properly. So this definitely for me is the best media player. And of course, if you want to, you can then install third-party add-ons, you can install custom builds if you want to extend the functionality. Let's click on done. Let's now press the home key. Now, as always, before opening up any streaming application, I do always like to activate my VPN just for my own privacy, just for my own protection, and more importantly, to make sure that my ISP can't throttle me. So let's start that now. That's now connected, which means now my device is fully secure. All of my traffic is encrypted and nobody can now monitor what I'm doing on my device. If you want to use the same VPN I'm using, just comment the word VPN below and I'll give you my special discount code. Let's press the home button. Let's now start the application for the first time. Let's click on that. We can see by default it does clear the cache, preparing for the first run. And we can now see version 21.3 Omega. That's installed fine. You can also go into the settings at the top, go to system information, and then we can see at the bottom, we can see the custom build of 21.3. Now, as I mentioned before, it is possible for you to install other extensions, other add-ons, but that kind of content is not really suitable for YouTube. I will leave a link to a post on my blog where you can install some of the best add-ons, some of the best builds, if you are interested in doing that. The only thing I would ensure that make sure you are using a VPN before doing any kind of streaming on your device. It really is just the best way to protect yourself because it allows you to change your IP address. Your IP address is like your online digital fingerprint. So using a different IP address means you can stay anonymous. You can then access geo-locked content. You can unlock all of the different Netflix libraries and really just unlock a world of streaming. So if you're interested in that, you can just scan the QR code or leave me a comment below. So really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know if you are using this application in the year 2026, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.